Welcome back to our channel, Intimate Viewpoint. As we continue with our series on reigniting intimacy, we will be delving into a pertinent topic titled Unfulfilled Expectations in Marriage. Do this. So, stay with me. Intimacy is about to be reignited. The silent killer of marriages isn't fighting, it's disappointment. Not the shouting, not the arguments, but that quiet ache inside when what you hoped for just doesn't happen. You know that feeling, right? You love your spouse, but deep down something's missing. You expected more connection, more effort, more love expressed the way you imagined it. But the more you desired, the more elusive. Gradually, as the days go by, you realize that those deep desires may never be fulfilled. As far as the present relationship is concerned, it is called unfulfilled expectations in marriage. Hidden expectations are real, my friend. We all enter marriage carrying a suitcase full of expectations, At opportune times, we voice some of them out. And other ones, we assume our partner just knows. So let's look at role play scene 1. Here we see the couple, Alex and Jamie, sitting on the couch.
I thought we'd spend our weekends going out together, maybe a movie or brunch.
I thought weekends were for catching up with family. Isn't that what we always did growing up?
Yeah, I just thought it'd be different.
Sound familiar? Neither Alex nor Jamie is wrong, but both are disappointed because they were never on the same page in the first place. Now, take hold of this key insight. Unspoken expectations are premeditated resentments. Unspoken expectations are premeditated resentments. We don't realize it, but the stories we build in our heads about what marriage should be can quietly set us up for pain when reality doesn't match. Sustained disappointment eventually becomes distance. That's what we are saying here. When disappointment is sustained over a period of time, it becomes distance. Here's the danger. When unmet expectations pile up, they don't just vanish, they turn into emotional distance. First, you start saying, "It's fine," when it's not. Then you stop sharing what's really bothering you, and slowly you begin to feel like roommates instead of partners. Let's look at role play scene 2. Take a look at this kitchen argument.
You never plan anything romantic anymore.
You always say that. I'm working so hard, and it's still not enough.
See, the real issue isn't romance or work. It's unspoken disappointment. If you are watching this and thinking, "That's us," well, don't panic. It doesn't mean your marriage is broken. It means it's human and it's calling for an upgrade, okay? So, how do we upgrade a relationship that is long overdue for one? What should couples do to fix the challenge of unfulfilled expectations in marriage? Step 1. Follow me as we go through them now. Identify your hidden expectations. Take a quiet moment. Write down what you've been expecting from your partner. Even if you've tried doing this before, it doesn't matter. Do it again now. Okay? I promise you, it's gonna be different this time around. Things like, I wish we had dinner together every night. I thought you would text me more during the day. I want us to pray together before bed. Oh, someone might ask, what's the importance of writing them down? After all, I have them all in my head. My friend, you can't fix what you can't name. By writing them out on paper, you crystallize the desires, and this is the first step towards realization. Crystallization is the first step to realization. So, what's the second step? Communication. The second step is communication. Here's the truth. The fix isn't about changing your spouse, It's about communicating expectations clearly. Sit down with your spouse without blame. And by the way, I feel like I should direct you to check out our first video in this series. It is titled, Why Communication Breaks Down in Marriage and How to Fix It. Check it out on the YouTube channel. Just type in our channel handle, Save My Marriage. That's the channel handle. And the videos will pop out. Why communication breaks down in marriage and how to fix it. So, communicate expectations clearly. You may ask, how? Well, something like this. I realize I've been carrying some unspoken expectations and I want to share them. Not to criticize, but to reconnect. Yes, something like that. Now we go to role play scene 3. Back to the family of Alex and Jamie. Listen.
Alex, dear, I used to expect you'd always know what I needed, but that's not fair. I should have told you.
Thank you for saying that. I've been guessing instead of asking. Let's figure this out together now.
See that? No yelling, just honesty. That's how couples move from disappointment to understanding. So what's step 3? Well, let me go through steps 1 and 2 again quickly. What did we say step 1 was? Identify your hidden expectations. Crystallize them. Step 2, communication. Communicate your expectations clearly. Now, step 3, update your expectations. Update your expectations. That means you go through your list and tick the expectations that are still relevant today. For example, instead of expecting weekly date nights, maybe you agree on one special day per month. Instead of waiting for spontaneous affection, you plan small daily check-ins. If you dreamt of having you and your spouse, for example, visiting a particular resort, and today the location or its surroundings has become a war zone, then you would want to strike that outrightly. Healthy expectations evolve as you do. Marriage isn't about getting everything you wanted, it's about growing together through what you didn't expect. Step number 4. Practice appreciation over expectation. Here's the secret. The feeling of gratitude is stronger than that of disappointment. So, express it all the time. Look around. Are there important things in the relationship or family to be grateful to your partner for? Every day, notice one small thing your partner does right and say it out loud. Thanks for making coffee. I appreciate how hard you are working for us. I love that you always make me laugh. Role play scene 4. We see Alex and Jamie having a sweet moment in the kitchen. Listen.
Hey, I just want to say thanks for doing the dishes tonight.
Wow, thank you. That means a lot.
Simple, right? But it shifts the energy. When appreciation grows, disappointment loses its grip. Appreciation is the antidote to disappointment. Did you get that? Appreciation is the antidote to disappointment. If you are feeling like it's too late, I want to let you know it's not. Every strong couple you admire has walked through seasons of unmet expectations. What matters is whether you both choose to repair instead of resent. Don't give up on the version of love that's still possible. You can start again, not from the beginning, but from where you are right now with more honesty and more understanding. Now let's take a quick recap on what to do when expectations go unfulfilled. Number 1, identify your hidden expectations. That means crystallize them, write them down. Number 2, communicate without blame. Number 3, update your hidden expectations. Number 4, practice appreciation. And number 5, you know what number 5 is? Get started today. Yes, as in right now. Get started. Remember, your spouse can't read your mind, but they can hear your heart when you speak it with love. Don't give up, okay? You still have one more move to make. Reach out, talk, heal. Everything is going to be all right again. If this video spoke to you, share your thoughts below and send me a message. And if you know a couple who needs this, please share it with them. Let's spread healing, one marriage at a time. Look out for the next episode. And if you feel that you would like further assistance with teething challenges in your relationship, if you would like to ask for personal assistance in counseling, you can reach out directly through WhatsApp or email. Check the links below. Well, I'm signing out. For now, it's bye-bye.